Everyone loves data, right? I mean, the dashboarding video did pretty well, so I'm going to take that as a yes. Dashboarding is one thing, but what if we could have an email that showed us how the business was doing coming to us on a regular basis? If you like that idea, stick around. I'm going to show you how to set one of those up. This right here is a digest email. By default, they include a tip, and they also include KPIs that we've selected here. And yes, you can create your own tips and your own KPIs. I'll be covering that in a later video, so look for that. Anyway, ODOO lets you send out as many of these as you want, as often as you want, up to once a day. And you can send them to whoever you want. It's pretty cool, right? So how do we get one of these set up? So we're going to go to our home page in ODOO, and we're going to make sure we're in developer mode. Then we're going to start typing digest and go to digest emails. And just for fun, we're going to create a new one here. So now you can see we need to give this a digest title. So I'm going to give this executive summary as a title. We're going to choose our periodicity, so daily, weekly, monthly, or quarterly. And then we can set our next mailing date here. Now we get to select which KPIs we want to send out. So there's a lot here because I have a lot of apps installed. What you will see for KPIs is going to depend on what you've added and which apps you've installed. I went a bit crazy and I just added all of them. And as I said before, I am going to show you how to add your own KPIs in a future video, so watch for that coming up. So now we get to decide who all this is sent to. So this is limited to our internal users currently. So we've got Artful Dodger, which is me, Oliver Twist, another orphan that we could send this to. And then bringing this full circle, we can click send now to test this guy out. Again, the result is a lovely digest that looks very similar to this. So again, the tip is randomized. Then we have all of our KPIs right here. And then we have some advertisements from ODOO. And yeah, in another video, I'll show you how to remove those pieces from ODOO and the tips too, if you want that. So that's pretty cool, right? I can't count the number of times that a boss has asked me if we could get something like this. And it's pretty easy to get. Be sure to stay tuned for the next videos on this where I show you how to add KPIs, how to add tips, and then how to clean up the digest email so it doesn't show all that stuff from ODOO if you want to remove that. As always, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, or if you need any help, reach out to me through my calendar. But I hope you guys have a great day and hope this was helpful. Thanks.